made using Gemini Flash 2.0. So this extension is basically a context-aware chatbot which provides intelligent assistance based on the context of the web page that we are viewing. So using Google's Gemini API, this chatbot analyzes the page content and can answer the questions that we provide. It can also provide the summaries and offer relevant information without requiring us to copy paste the content. So what are the key features of this chatbot? It can automatically extract and analyze the content of the web page. It understands the type of the web page, whether it's a e-commerce site or a documentation or a research paper, and then it is possible, or it provides the relevant answers based on the context of the page or page context. It can provide the relevant answer or intelligent answers based on the content of a page, and all the processing happens locally or through secure AI API. So how does it work? When you visit a web page, this extension automatically appears at the right hand side corner of the web page and extract and analyze the page content. We can, maximize or minimize this here, as you can see. This it has a welcome message which includes a brief summary of the page. We can ask the question about the page or click on the suggested questions. So this chatbot sends our query along with the page context to the Gemini AI, and the AI generates a response based on the page content and your question. And the response then gets displayed on the interface. So suppose I refresh this page, you'll see that it has a welcome message. It has a welcome message with a brief summary of what exactly this page is about. So we have these predefined buttons or options here. We can click these buttons, or we can use this text box to ask our any relevant question. So suppose if I say, can you summarize the whole content of this web page, and then click send. It takes some time. So it takes us through the process, or explains that it talks about supervised fine tuning of large language models, and then the different techniques, which is LoRa, QLoRa, and hyperparameter tuning, transfer learning, etc. This we can verify here. You see there is a table here: LoRa, QLoRa, hyperparameter tuning, transfer learning, and it talks about common issues such as overfitting, hyperparameter selection, and data quality. So there is an FAQ section also. So it talks about the FAQ section also. For example, here this is the FAQ section. So it is able to read the FAQ sections also. So suppose if I just paste this heading here, and so the common issue, it says the common issues with supervised fine tuning include overfitting, difficulty with hyperparameter tuning, data quality, catastrophic forgetting. So this all is there. You see, overfitting, hyperparameter tuning, data quality issues, catastrophic forgetting, and inconsistent performance. So this is there, inconsistent performance. So if it is possible to read the headings and subheadings also. And suppose if I ask what is EAR, early stopping. So it says that the provided context mentions early stopping as a technique to mitigate overfitting during supervised fine tuning, but it doesn't define what early stopping is. So which means that it's not, using its own intelligence. The AI model is not using its own intelligence to answer to this question, what is early stopping? It just knows whatever is there in the context or in this page. It's not using its learning or the knowledge to answer the question. So this is it. This was all about the extension which I have created.